Hello class, my name is Zach Whiten. I'll be your instructor for ITST 2252 Scripting Fundamentals. And this video we're going to go over Blackboard. So when you log in, you'll be greeted with the announcement page. Here I'll update these periodically throughout the week. You'll receive an email when I update them, but make sure you read the weekly announcements. There'll be a couple. Off to the left-hand side, you have your control bar. You have the Collaborate button. Here, excuse me, we'll have a couple weekly sessions. Thursday, 6 p.m., I'll jump online, do a live lecture discussing that week's topics. And also, I'll offer a tutoring session at 10:30 every Sunday. The discussion board in this class is used for your introductory discussion, just to meet and greet with the other students, share some information, respond back and forth. And then primarily the discussion board is going to be used for group activities. Individual labs or individual questions, email will be the best option. Course tools. Here's another list of course tools that are available to help you be successful in the class. A lot of these are basics that Columbus State has to offer: your email, NetTutor, My Grades, links to My Grades, etc. The syllabus. I'm going to skip course lessons for now. The syllabus is where, there'll be a separate video covering the syllabus, but do click on it, read it. The course calendar, there'll be a separate video covering that. Q&A sessions are later on in the course. Supplemental readings have some good offerings. Separate Python books, Python tutorials, Byte of Python, Think Python, covering Python 2, but it's still pretty relevant. Quick guide, PowerPoints for lesson 7, a Pi tutorial, and general Pi references. And throughout the course, we'll go through these, so don't feel overwhelmed. Take your time. I'll mention these certain links in the announcements as we peruse the course and move forward. And My Grades, of course, which will list your grades that you've turned in and the grade and show you the points. And speaking of points, there's 300 points available in this course. So every one matters. Every point matters. Your final is a pretty hefty chunk. It's 50 points total. So there's 250 points to earn, not counting the final, which is your other 50. So just stay focused in class. We'll take it week by week, and it'll be a good journey. And let's go into course lessons. So when you're greeted with course lessons, you have these tabs up top. You click on the individual link and you get more tabs cut up into bits of what we'll cover that week. Course introduction, what to complete, so on and so forth. Some of this content will be updated by me throughout the class, but when I do update content or change it, it'll be prior to the week it's due. So just pay attention to the announcements, and it won't be too bad at all. But overall, this is how the course is structured and laid out. The secondary video will go into more detail of the course lessons, as there'll be a separate video for Collaborate, calendar, and syllabus. But welcome to class. It'll be a good time. I'm going to dive pretty deep into the fundamentals of Python. We're going to have a good time, and any other questions, feel free to send an email, and I'll respond. I'll try to respond within 24 hours, but usually I respond same day, within a couple hours or so. But that's it. Look forward to a good class, and I'll talk with you soon.